Hi friends, welcome to Patient Innovations. Today in this video I will complete the last video. That means in my last video I have shown you how to make a view meter with the help of neopixels LED, but it was just the basic, and how to install the Arduino program and how to make the circuit whatsoever and what the material are required. Those are stated in that video, but in this video I will show you how to make it a complete version with inbuilt battery system, so that you can play it at any place without any external power sources. So let's see how I have built it. Let's start the project. Friends, now I have to install all this equipment inside this aluminum casing. So friend, I have installed the LED strip, you can see it here, and I have cut out this section to install the circuit part. Now I am preparing the circuit. It must be compact enough so that it can be easily be fitted inside this slot. Friend, the build part is almost completed. You can see it here. I will install all the electronic component. So I will install a battery here. Push button switch and the potentiometer are already installed, and here is the power supply for Arduino board. Friends, the build part of this unit is almost completed. So I have installed a glass, you can see it here. The both side will be covered, and as I stated earlier, I have installed a battery unit here with a power switch. So let's have a look. So you can see it here. There is two controller with S and B. B means the brightness and S means the sequence. So let's power it on and see how it looks. So friend, you can see it is portable. It doesn't require any power supply externally. There is a charging port and you can charge it at any time, and the backup is about 24 to 26 hours without any issues, because I have installed 2400 mAh battery inside it. So let's see the sequence. Let's put off the light first. So friend, after putting off the light, it looking amazing. So I am changing the sequence. So it is basically sound control, you can see it here. If I make any sound, so let's play some music and see how it looks. So friend, you can see it is looking amazing. Friends, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe H&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.